When you're summarizing pivot tables, there's a lot of different ways that you can view the data. By default, you might just look at the total sum of the sales, such as in this case where we've got sales by city and by different region. But there are different ways that we can slice and dice the data, such as looking as a percentage of the region and of the grand total as well.
Now, before we jump in, if you're finding these tutorials and tips helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and make sure to enable notifications so you never miss another video.
Suppose, for example, we wanted to break out this data into a bit more detail, so we see percentages of the total revenue. So, although I've used up all the fields, all the pivot table fields, I can still pull in the sales field down into the values section once more. So right now, I've just got a duplicate of that sales field. But what I can do is, let's say, rename this. So I'll go to value field settings, change this to percent of region. And what I can also do is go back to value field settings and change it so it shows the values as a percentage of the parent row total. So when I do that, we can see that we now have the percentages. So parent row total is basically, we're looking at the next level up. So this adds up to a sum of 100%. So this tells us that Austin, Texas was 4.7% of central sales. Chicago was around 20%. St. Louis, 36.7%. So all these added up to 100% of the parent. Now, central, east, north, south, and west, they're all the next level up. And if we add up those totals, they'll add up to 100% of their parent, which is the grand total. So it's going to be a little bit confusing when you're talking about parent totals because it's essentially looking at the next level up. Another way we can slice the data is by looking at sales percentage of the grand total. So again, I'll pull the sales field down here again and rename this. So go to value field settings, say percentage of grand total, and under show values as, I can change this to percentage of grand total. So as you can see, there's a lot of different percentages that you can use. You've got running totals, percent differences. And so in this case, I'm using percent of grand total. Now when I hit OK, we can see that now if I select all these values, they're going to add up to 100% entirely because now they're adding up to that grand total, 100%. So depending on how you view the data, whether you want to look at the region, at the parent, at the row total, at the column total, there's a lot of different ways that you can view your data in a pivot table. You're not just limited to just looking at a specific summation. That is the default view, but there's a lot more ways that you can view the data and get a lot more useful insights out of it.